My name is Lindsay Abuen. I am one of the owners of Vantage Fence USA. We are an ornamental fence wholesale supplier located in Sacramento, California. Currently, we are supplying prefabricated residential, commercial, and industrial panels. Panels that we stock in our yard are pre-galvanized, powder-coated black. Panels can be found at properties such as golf courses, commercial buildings, and residential homes. For our post, we carry a wide variety from 14 gauge to 11 gauge, all the way from 1 inch to 6 inch post. We also carry Schedule 20 and Schedule 40 galvanized pipe, and we will be expanding into chain link and chain link components. We are also a supplier of Z-posts, and we also have the capability to supply aluminum fencing. So we are able to offer better pricing to the fence contractors, to the fence wholesalers, suppliers, and resellers. We are looking for suppliers, resellers, and distributors across the USA that want to work with us and have exclusivity in specific territories where we offer them a factory direct competitive pricing advantage with great quality.